One of the main reasons of getting a dashcam is to prove an accident was not your fault. There are many cases where a careless driver blames a safe driver for an accident, and this is the perfect way to protect yourself against this type of fraud. As well as careless drivers, cases of fraudulent crash for cash incidents have also been on the rise. But if you can't prove an accident wasn't your fault and there were no witnesses, then often insurance companies will settle claims 50-50. This means both parties lose their no claims bonus and end up with higher insurance costs. Also, if you have a dashcam, then you can take advantage of a discount on insurance premiums of up to 30%, which in some cases can easily pay for the cost of the camera itself. If you are ever unfortunate enough to be in an accident, rather than standing in the road, taking notes and having to worry that you've written down all the right number plates and street names, etc., having a dashcam means that you can concentrate on your family in the vehicle. Make sure they're okay. Of course, you'll still need to exchange details with other parties, but it is much easier knowing you have proof of exactly what happened. There have already been many cases where dashcam footage has been used to convict dangerous drivers. Having footage that can be used in court is a fantastic tool to make our roads safer.